like that was fucking crazy.
That shit was OD.
You see how they were like dodging?
The Subi and Hempstead that does that shit. He gonna do 120 easy.
120?
You think so?
Think so? Really? I mean, you said 109, then I did 102. But I'm just saying, your calculations ain't on point, bro.
He don't got a turbo.
You're right, you're right.
Less restriction on it.
116.
Is it what?
115?
110.
Get back. Turn on me like that. Can you guys start to back up? Can you guys relay that message to him? Back up.
Relay that message to him. Now I got passed on.
The guy that just passed that message is my friend.
They're not on that list. Straight on through, right?
Baby in car.
What's the name?
Losing his freaking eyebrow.
I might drop mine.
Even got up, he's like, I'll light you on fire.
Can you like give me a test real quick? No, don't pull it up. It's not a fire contest. Regardless, it's a race car.
You better throw fire now, you talking shit. That's what's up. Daily driven. Yo, idle? That shit's quiet as hell.
Kevin, we got Kevin and Owen and LGC. Go for it.